I can tell you're still testing the water. You don't know how to begin, but this is the moment. You can't hesitate to slow down, just gotta dive right in. I can see your eyes flood with desire and fear that you might capsize. But this is the moment that, oh, you can't control it. So even though you're terrified,